Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to look at how to calculate the area of a rectangle even when we have some mixed units involved. So in these examples we have rectangles and we want to calculate their areas. So we're going to start by writing down the rule for the area of a rectangle, which is area equals length times width. Now in my example here, my length is 5 meters. So I'm going to write down 5 times the width, which is 15 meters, times 15. I will grab my calculator, and on my calculator this becomes 75, and of course the units are meters, because our original measurements were meters squared. That's great. But what do we do if the units are mixed? So we'll start by stating our rule, area equals length by width. But this time when we identify the length and width, we notice our problem. This first measurement is in centimeters, while the second measurement is in meters. We can't have that. They need to be the same unit for us to be able to multiply. So we're going to take a side step, and we're going to first convert one of these into the other. Now we can pick either of these values to convert. I'm just going to pick the 0.17 because it has a decimal. So first we're going to take a side step and calculate what 0.17 meters is going to be in centimeters. How do we do that? Well, if we remember back to our lesson on converting units, we remember that going from meters to centimeters is multiplied by 100. 0.17 times 100 is 17 centimeters. All right, now we're ready to continue our calculation. So area equals our length, which is 18, times the width we just calculated, which is 17. And on my calculator, that becomes 306 centimeters squared. And that is how we can calculate the area of a rectangle with like units and mixed units.